Hey guys, in today's Patso versus Do It Yourself, we have a homemade egg avocado salad in 3 simple steps. The ingredients you need is 1 avocado, 5 boiled eggs, a half a teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon oregano and 1 teaspoon coriander and a pinch of cinnamon. Step 1. Separate the boiled egg white from the yolk. Mash the avocado and mix with the egg yolk and cinnamon. Step 2. Add salt and stir the mixture until smooth and place on top of the egg. And step 3. Sprinkle some coriander and oregano on top for flavoring. Serve it cold. And those are the 3 simple steps to make the egg avocado recipe. Hope you enjoy.